At this point, I had a bit of trouble putting in one of the screws, but apart from that, everything all went well. After installing the tank on top of the stand, I actually found that I needed to remove the lid. This again was fairly easy. I had to undo two screws, and then you hold the lid at a certain angle and it just slides out. The reason why I was able to put the fish and the coral straight into the tank without doing any recycling was because I took most of the water from my old tank and mixed it with some ready-made saline solution, salt water solution basically. And also I carried over some of the gravel from my old tank as well, so all the bacteria and water concentrations were pretty much the same. I didn't use the lighting that came with the tank. I actually used some LED lighting that I bought myself and then installed. I'm going to talk about how I did this and what the issues were in a later blog.